The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
The Wall Street Journal has reported that Intel plans to delay the opening of a chip plant that's been described as the first of its kind. Originally set to be online by late 2025, the $20 billion Ohio project was set to bring 3,000 jobs to the region, but now won't hit its targets for several reasons. The Wall Street Journal says the factory is being postponed because of market challenges, a nod towards the general consensus that the market for semiconductors may be cooling in the near term. Also at issue, they say, is the slow rollout of U.S. government grant money to grow the domestic industry. Intel originally gave credit for the plant investment to the CHIPS and Science Act, but also blamed the bill for an earlier delay, where it pushed back its ribbon cutting in 2022 while it waited on Congress to pass the act to begin with. In August, reports alluded to a challenge. $231 billion had been announced to date in private sector semiconductor investments in the United States, many contingent on funding. And none of the $39 billion in domestic chip manufacturing subsidies had yet been awarded. At the time, Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo commented on the application process, stressing the balance between pushing the team to go fast but also to get it right. In July, another chipmaker delayed a U.S. plant based on concerns over market demand as well. Taiwan's TSMC announced that it would push back the estimated kickoff of its $12 billion plant in Arizona until 2025. It was also noted at the time that they faced practical challenges in construction. Not enough skilled workers to build the plant. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.